me a god. You call me a god. You call me a god. You call me a god.
Let's go. I'm about to go off like a weapon. Fuel to the top, got a filled up engine. In my thoughts, obsession, I will not stop, no, I'm never second guessing. I got a God complex, haters love to hate, but I never feel pressed. Got a lot on my plate, but I never get stressed. I'll take all the pressure like I'm acing this test. Tear it up like I'm Jason. I see the world like it's ready for the taking. I see this place like a game I'm playing. Straight to the bank to collect my payments. No negotiations, it's my way, I was born impatient. And like a damn Freemason, I'll run this nation.
You call me a god. You call me a god. You call me a god. You call me a god.
I don't know how to stop, I just go till I drop. Whether it's working or shots, give it all that I got. You can watch me work in my element. Anyone in the way is irrelevant. Wanna cross me, cool, not intelligent. Cause I don't forget shit like an elephant. Go ahead and tempt me, put it on the line and you'll come up empty. If I got time, I'm deadly. Never caught off guard, no, I'm always ready. I got a hand real steady. Look me in the eye and you'll see no hezzy. About to get real messy, I'll put you in a grid 6 feet like Kenny.
You call me a god. You call me a god. You call me a
Tell my mama I'm sorry that I blame her for all the shit I know that I could fix. I'll get mad and scream it down on paper, then I'll go and call my therapist. I'm a little too much, I'm a little too lazy. Sometimes I know why you couldn't hate me. Say how I get so angry, yeah. I'm a little fucked up, yeah. I'm a little fucked up, yeah.
I'm a little fucked up, got me feeling so stuck. I think that I'm unplugged, in my brain there's no blood. Serotonin not enough, fit my bed like a glove. And my eyes seal shut, and my mind feels numb. Get me for the things I said, I'm not mad at you. I had a really bad day, barely getting through. I feel like I've been on the same damn fucking loop. I know that it's all in my brain, but it's fucking true. Cause I can't seem to escape from the pain. I just need to break through the chains. Let me go, please let me change. Call me by a different name. I don't wanna play the game anymore. I'm just gonna flip over and shake out the board. I feel like one day I'll regret this, but I don't know how else I can forget this.
I'm a little too lazy. Sometimes I know why you couldn't hate me. Say how I get so angry, yeah. I'm a little fucked up, yeah. I'm a little fucked up, yeah.
Don't take this life for granted, you're lucky to have landed. I know you might feel stranded, it's never how we planned it. But that's the beauty in living, you got a view you were given. Well, you can choose to just give in, or you can choose a new vision. It's never easy as it seems. Sometimes I feel like the world just wants me on my knees. Oh, oh, screaming out, begging please. Give me a sign, a light, fucking anything. But that's the beauty of it. If it were easy, no one would really give a shit. We would all just sit around with nothing to do, nothing to prove, nothing to lose, no reason to move. So be thankful for the lows in your life, cause on the other side there's a high that you'll like. So be thankful for the lows in your life, cause on the other side there's a high that you'll like.
Too much, a little too lazy. Sometimes I know why you couldn't hate me.